Subscribe to our channel, press the bell icon and never miss an update from Latestly.
Pegasus is classified by the Israeli state as a weapon. And that weapon is supposed to be used against terrorists. The Prime Minister and the Home Minister have used this weapon against the Indian state and against our institutions. They have used it politically, they have used it in Karnataka, they have used it to scuttle probes, they have used it against the Supreme Court, they have used it against all the institutions of this country. The only word for this is treason. There is no other word for this. Right? And this has to be investigated and the Home Minister has to resign. ये राहुल गांधी की प्रिवेसी का मामला नहीं है. मैं विपक्ष का एक नेता हूं, मैं जनता की आवाज उठाता हूं. ये उस पर आक्रमण है, ये जनता की आवाज पर आक्रमण है. सुप्रीम कोर्ट पे पेगासस का प्रयोग किया गया. राफेल का जो इन्वेस्टिगेशन है उसको रोकने के लिए पेगासस का प्रयोग किया गया. तो नरेंद्र मोदी जी ने इस हथियार को हमारे देश के खिलाफ यूज किया है और इसके लिए सिर्फ एक शब्द है, ट्रीजन. होम मिनिस्टर को इस्तीफा देना चाहिए और जुडिशियल इंक्वायरी, सुप्रीम कोर्ट इंक्वायरी नरेंद्र मोदी पे होनी चाहिए. Said very clearly that there has been gross theft in Rafael. None of you people supported me. This is the truth. For whatever reason, none of you people supported me. But the truth has a way of coming out. Right? There is an inquiry in France, and you will see the Prime Minister himself is responsible for corruption in Rafael. You'll see it. Right? You can't buy everybody. You might think you can buy everybody. The Prime Minister might think he can suppress everybody. He might buy everybody, but can't. And the reason all those people, you're seeing, even in your question, you're asking a very interesting question. You're asking it in a very particular way. Why are you not asking why the CBI director's phone was not tapped? Why are you asking me about Anil Ambani? No, you can't ask me because because this is a mischievous question. The real question is, why on the last minute, when the CBI director was about to file an FIR, why was his phone trapped and why was he blackmailed? That's the real question. And who did it? That's the question. The question is not whether Anil Ambani's phone was tapped. See, so even in your questions,
it's all related.
No, but you have to ask the correct question. See, you have to ask the precise question. So the answer is, the entire Indian state is under attack. The amazing thing is, you don't know, you don't seem to understand that you are being attacked. Maybe because you're paid, maybe because you have to live with these cameras, maybe. But this is not an attack on Rahul Gandhi, this is not an attack on individuals, this is an attack on the Indian state.
सर, सरकार लगातार ये कह रही है.
Every single phone of mine is tapped. Okay, and let me tell you another thing. I get phone calls from IB people who tap my phone. Okay, they call me up and say, please be aware that we are tapping your phone. Okay, so I also, by the way, my security people tell me, right, that they have to debrief what I say. They have to report to their seniors everything I say. So I'm under no pretensions that I'm not tapped. ये 3-4 बार मेरे साथ हुआ है. ठीक है, मेरे फ्रेंड्स को फोन किया जाता है, उनको कहा जाता है कि आप राहुल गांधी को बता दीजिए कि हमारी उसकी टैपिंग हुई. अगर हिंदुस्तान की सरकार ने ये नहीं किया तो किसी और सरकार ने किया होगा, जापान की सरकार ने किया होगा, इजराइल की सरकार ने किया होगा, रूस की सरकार ने किया होगा, युगांडा की सरकार ने किया होगा, क्योंकि पेगासस तो सिर्फ सरकार को बेचा जा सकता है। तो फिर उसकी इंक्वायरी होनी चाहिए। नहीं तो प्रधानमंत्री ये क्यों नहीं कह रहे हैं हाँ लोगों के नंबर पेगासस में टैप हुए हैं, इंक्वायरी कराएंगे। प्रधानमंत्री ये क्यों कह रहे हैं कि हमने नहीं किया?
ये जवाब नहीं देते कि उन्होंने खरीदा या नहीं खरीदा।
नहीं, और ये भी सवाल है कि ये उन्होंने खरीदा है या नहीं, उसको तो जवाब दे दीजिए। आर यू अलाउड टू बाय पेगासस? कैन आई बाय पेगासस? Pegasus has to be authorized by the nation state. The file has to be signed at a minimum by the Home Minister, probably by the Prime Minister. Pegasus cannot be sold to the military of a country. It is sold to the government of a country. Please read the contract. Right? It's sold from government to government. Much like Mr. Modi says the Rafale deal was a government to government deal. But then Mr. Anil Ambani is sitting in the meetings. Potential target, my phone is tapped. It is clearly tapped. Right? So it's not a potential target.
और जी आपको क्या डर लगता है फोन इस्तेमाल करते हुए?
नहीं, देखिए खुली किताब है, मुझे कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता। देखिए सिंपल सी बात है, इंडियन पॉलिटिक्स को आप समझना चाहते हैं, अगर आप भ्रष्ट हैं, अगर आप चोर हैं, आपको डर लगेगा। मोदी से आप डरोगे। अगर आप भ्रष्ट नहीं हो, अगर आप चोर नहीं हो, मोदी से आपको बिल्कुल डर नहीं लगता। हंसी आती है, सिंपल सी बात है।